So in this video I bring you the Ulanzi video portable small RGB light, which you can see in the video. So this is Ulanzi VL49 RGB portable light from Ulanzi, which is quite small but built sturdy and quality light. It's a small portable box light, you can see. So here it comes with the USB-C cable, the video light itself. So the USB-C cable, you can charge the light. So it has an inbuilt battery. You don't need any external cables for the powering up. So this is a manual, small manual, which helps you to easily use the light. So there are some instruction inside, some safety instruction that you can go through easily. So buttons on the back and with the USB-C cable to charge it. So you can easily switch on the light with the click of a button. So that's how you switch it on, and that's the medium brightness, which you can easily change with this function, which you can raise your brightness or change the temperature Kelvin from 2700 to 6000 and above. Have different brightness and different color level in this video light, which is very useful function. So you can easily decrease or increase this as per your need and as per your background that you want. So there are 3 places you can put your mount, and already a built-in mount to adapt to your camera that has a cold zoom mount. So easy to set up and easy to connect to your camera or phones with other accessories required, and the extra places to mount your either mic or additional lights or any other accessories that you want.